Hello, my name is Jen Jump, and I have been an educator for over 20 years. And as a former literacy director, I am excited to introduce you to a brand new supplemental resource from Teacher Created Materials, right here, Focused Instruction Reading Intervention. Today, let's unbox this powerful, research-based, teacher-led reading intervention program designed to support students through structured yet adaptable instruction, because every student deserves to become a confident and successful reader. So, what exactly is Focused Instruction Reading Intervention? Focused Instruction Reading Intervention, again, is a comprehensive, research-based reading program created to target the essential components of literacy. It was developed in alignment with the science of reading and grounded in best instructional practices, including explicit instruction, consistent routines, engaging text, and ongoing formative assessment. This program is designed with flexibility in mind, perfect for use across all three tiers of RTI and MTSS, including small group settings, specialized instruction, or even whole group reteaching. Let's discuss how focused instruction reading intervention works. Each of the 30 lessons focuses on a specific reading comprehension strategy, like analyzing story elements, determining central ideas, evaluating evidence, or making inferences. Students engage with these skills through multiple reads of authentic, grade-appropriate text, which allow for real-world transfer of learning. But the magic lies within the structure. Each lesson contains 5 parts. These 5-part lessons include vocabulary development, shared reading, independent reading, word study, fluency, and writing. Lessons also provide choice and differentiation to meet the needs of every student, including multilingual learners and students with disabilities. Now, let's dive into the box and look a bit more closely at the components. We'll start here with the management guide, which is a robust foundation of pedagogy, pacing options, differentiated instruction strategies, and detailed support for intervention environments, whether you're working in a general education classroom, a resource room, or an after-school setting. Next, let's take a closer look at the teacher's guide. This teacher's guide provides detailed and softly scripted lesson plans that walk you through each of the 5 lesson parts, including when to integrate the instructional routine cards. You'll also find a range of supports to meet the needs of all learners, woven throughout. Working alongside this teacher's guide are the instructional routine cards. These laminated cards support explicit instruction across a range of foundational and comprehension skills, such as building fluency, summarizing, using text features, and analyzing story elements. Each routine features multilingual and scaffolded supports. To make implementation seamless, lesson plans clearly indicate which routine to use and when to use it, ensuring that routines are easily integrated into instruction. Routines ensure instruction is consistent and predictable, which makes learning more accessible and effective for all students. Now we can take a look at the very important assessment guide. Placement, benchmark, formative, and summative assessments ensure instruction is driven by data. Assessments, which are available in print and digital formats, allow for teachers to pinpoint gaps, create targeted instructional plans, and monitor progress to boost student achievement. Teachers can easily monitor growth and adjust support by analyzing real-time reports available on the digital platform. Allow me to introduce you to the interactive word study games and games booklet. Students won't be just working on phonics and morphology in every lesson, they'll also be playing with them. The 6 decks of game cards come with a games booklet, timers, and dice for fast-paced, hands-on learning. Each game strengthens the understanding of how words work through collaborative and strategic play. Here is the student guided practice book. Colorful and engaging pages allow for students to practice and demonstrate their understanding. There are 5 student pages per lesson. These include opportunities for students to independently read, write in response to their reading, and a formative assessment. While we have alluded to it multiple times, let's be certain to take a closer look at the TCM digital learning platform. Everything we've explored thus far is available on the dedicated learning platform. This time-saving, fully accessible digital environment offers real-time feedback on assessments to inform instructional decisions. It also provides centralized access to all program components and supports the delivery of instruction and student activities in one seamless, easy-to-use location. The learning platform makes focused instruction ideal for a variety of learning environments. The TCM learning platform offers digital versions of all of the text and every component, auto-scored assessments with real-time performance reports, instructional slides and professional development videos, and assignable student pages. The learning platform will also be a place that you can find homeschool connection resources. The learning platform makes implementing this program simple, whether in person, hybrid, or remote. What exactly makes focused instruction reading intervention so special? Well, first and foremost, it is flexible and easy to use. It will reduce planning and prep time for every teacher who uses it. Focused instruction is a teacher and data-driven program designed for meeting the needs of a wide range of learners. Every lesson includes differentiated instruction, gameplay, and formative assessment. This program supports students through explicit instruction, engaging student activities, student discourse, visuals, audio, and choice-based tasks. It inspires motivation with high-interest texts, peer collaboration, and consistent success experiences. Thank you for taking the time to unbox Focused Instruction Reading Intervention with me. We know that when students are given the right tools, structured support, and engaging content, they will thrive. With this program in your hands, you are fully equipped to ignite reading success for all of your students. Thank you for joining me. Take care.